Best natural cures for insomnia. Insomnia is a common condition in which you feel difficulty in falling asleep. Insomnia is generally caused by psychiatric and medical conditions and certain biological factors. According to recent research study, insomnia is the brain disease that disturbs your sleeping cycle. First, milk. Drinking a glass of lukewarm milk before bedtime has a soporific effect on your body that helps you in dozing off easily. Milk contains certain amino acids like tryptophan, which helps in stimulating serotonin production. That can eventually provide you with a better sleep. You can mix honey and cinnamon powder in the milk and drink it regularly for better sleep. You can also use milk to massage your toes to induce the sleep. Second, bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is one of the effective natural cures for insomnia. Bottle gourd can mainly help in inducing sleep. Prepare bottle gourd juice and add sesame oil into it in the same proportion. Use this mixture to massage on your scalp daily before going to bed. You can also include bottle gourd in your daily diet for insomnia cure. Third, nutmeg. Nutmeg is an effectual remedy to cure insomnia. Nutmeg is rich in myristicin that works as a tranquilizer and helps you in getting sleep naturally. Take 1 teaspoon of Indian gooseberry juice and mix 1 pinch of nutmeg powder with it. Eat these mixtures thrice a day to cure insomnia. This remedy also helps in curing problems associated with indigestion and depression. Take half teaspoon of nutmeg powder and mix it with a pinch of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of raw honey and water to form a fine paste. Boil a cup of water and pour the paste in it and stir well. Drink this mixture before you sack out for curing insomnia naturally. Take a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg powder and add it in a cup of warm water or any favorite juice to cure insomnia. Fifth, banana. Banana is rich in melatonin, tryptophan, magnesium, and serotonin that works as a body relaxant. It also contains a high amount of carbohydrates that will make you feel sleepy. Eat banana before going to bed to cure insomnia naturally. You can also mash the banana with the roasted cumin seeds and consume after dinner to cure insomnia. Alternatively, you can prepare a banana smoothie 1 hour before going to bed to have better sleep. 6. Cumin tea. Take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and heat it for a few seconds. Add 1 cup of water and simmer it to the boiling point. Remove it from the heat and cover it with a lid and stir the solution after 5 minutes. And drink this tea before bedtime. Cumin tea is considered as an effectual natural cure for insomnia. 7. Oatmeal. Oats contain a rich amount of melatonin that will help in inducing sleep. Eat oatmeal regularly to naturally cure insomnia. Take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and sprinkle on your oatmeal to cure insomnia. You can chop this mixture before going to bed for better results. 8. Curd. Curd is an effectual remedy that can help you in absorbing essential minerals and nutrients, thus improves your digestive system. While suffering with insomnia, you should consume around 2 to 3 cups of curd daily as the natural cure for insomnia. You can also use curd to massage your head for sound sleep.
Thanks for watching.